Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how you can create book cover. To create a book cover you have to visit canva.com, and after that you have to visit this area, search area, and you have to type book cover, or you can simply come and click on this area book cover, and you should also notice the size of the book cover, or you can put custom size. So let me click here. So once you click you will get blank page, and if you know the text, if you know the elements, if you have photos, then you simply copy, upload it and create it. But here I will show you with the help of templates, book cover, love, fantasy, whatever. So I'm going to select this template. So you can see here smart ideas, you can change smart brain, and you just make it small, done. And if you want to change picture you just simply delete it and you upload your own picture, upload, and come down. Okay, suppose I want to upload this picture, I will simply upload it and I will drag it here. Let me drag it here. Okay, okay, now I will remove the background here. Edit photo, I will go to edit photo option, and here you can see magic eraser, busy remover. So I will choose busy remover, that is background remover. So as I am using the pro version, that's why I am getting the pro tools, that I can remove background and I can put some more option here. So let me correct the position of this image, like let me make it small. Okay, so in this way you can put your own image and you can create book cover. So you have different options, you just go ahead and create it and simply come here and download it as JPG format or PNG format. Here you will get the download option, done. So just go ahead and create it and you will enjoy the process. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.